Surwera.com. Review: is this online store legit or a scam? If you found Surwera.com and aren't sure whether it's a trustworthy online store or just another scam, this review will help you figure that out. We'll look at how the store operates, what signs point toward legitimacy or risk, and whether it's safe to shop there. Surwera.com markets itself as an online shopping destination, offering a range of products. Before you hand over your payment details, it's important to assess key factors like website design, trust signals, and customer experience. Legitimate stores typically provide clear business information, secure checkout, responsive customer support, and authentic reviews, while scam sites often lack these essentials. At first glance, Surwera.com may look like many e-commerce sites, with product listings and promotional offers. A professional layout and product images can create a positive impression. However, appearance alone isn't enough to verify authenticity. Legitimate stores usually include detailed contact information, transparent policies, and verifiable social proof that shows real customers have had real experiences. Payment security is another critical consideration. Trustworthy stores use secure payment gateways and clearly show SSL encryption in the browser's address bar. If payment methods look suspicious or limited to unusual options, that's a red flag. Also, a legitimate business will provide clear shipping and return policies, so you know what to expect after placing an order. When shopping online, customer reviews can offer valuable insight. Authentic reviews tend to be specific. Mention delivery experiences, product quality, and any interactions with customer service. Scam stores often lack genuine third-party reviews or rely on generic, overly positive feedback that doesn't feel credible. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Surwera.com may have some positive surface features like a clean website layout, visible product categories, and SSL encryption that helps protect user data during checkout. These elements are typical of many legitimate online stores and are good first impressions. On the downside, the cons focus on deeper trust issues, limited information about who runs the business, a lack of authentic third-party reviews, unclear shipping and return policies, and the possibility of low-priced, too good to be true offers all raise caution. When customer support isn't clearly reachable or responsive, it makes resolving issues after purchase more difficult. In summary, while Surwera.com looks like a functioning online store on the surface, the lack of transparent business details and limited verifiable customer feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you decide to shop there, consider using secure payment methods that offer buyer protection and look for additional reviews to confirm it's legitimate before entering sensitive information.